Alright, so I'm gonna be making a walnut pen out of this walnut. What's up, y'all? Welcome and howdy doody. I don't know. So, got a walnut blank there going, and I'm drilling with so with this pen type, you can see it in the bottom left. It's a double cap. So it's 10.5 millimeters and 12.5 millimeters for the cap, so a little thicker cap. Nice body on this pen. Really like this kit. German made. These guys are doing great. And so what I'm doing there with the brass tubing is scratching it up a bit so the CA glue could adhere to there, so there's some texture. Just hitting it with a little medium CA glue and doing it up. So how's everyone doing? This is kind of a new thing for me. I just really trying to figure this stuff out. I've put out some videos in the past, but what's new is I'm trying to figure out how to really get out there and teach and really just give something out to the public. So, COVID's been crazy. I've been locked up. I'm out now doing woodworking. So, I don't know with all that. And I know everything's kind of messy in this video. This lathe I did buy used a few years ago. Actually, so I've had this lathe. It's 2020. It's the end of 2020. And I got this at the end of 17. So, yeah, whatever, 3 years. 3 years now. I'm rocking this lathe. Trust me, I would not have done well with a new lathe. So it was nice that I was able to find. There was a hurricane that went through my state of Florida, and there was all this wood everywhere. And I was like, I gotta do something with all this wood. What can I do? And yeah, I went on Craigslist. The guy was selling it. It was like a 40-minute drive, and it was well worth it because when I went and got it, I started doing it. Yeah, so when I got it, I was like, what do I do with a lathe now? And so I went to the good old YouTubies and figured out what to do with the lathe. They're like, make pens. And so as a creative, I do have a BFA in photography, but so obviously get a bachelor's in fine arts. You do go through many art programs like screen printing and drawing and painting and 2D design, 3D design, and I do have a minor in like graphic design. So some of that was all fun, but so yeah, I needed to put my creative styles to work, and here it is, and there it is, and that was CA glue for a little coat. And there is some polishing, so that's a micro mesh. So hitting it with the micro mesh, and I don't know. Maybe I'll say more. I don't know. Maybe I'll say less. Maybe I shouldn't talk. I don't know. What do y'all think? Also, is anyone here watching this video? Do y'all do woodworking, or is this just kind of like something you want to watch and like kind of like weird, like ASMR? Like, hey, this is woodworking. Do you want to see woodworking, or do you just want to watch? Like, or are you actually here because you want to learn something? I'd like to teach something. Otherwise, I'll just put out random woodworking projects that I do, and then apparently talk over it in the video. This is all weird. I hope y'all like it. Walnut. There it is. Walnut pen, ballpoint, to the extreme. It rocks like a vandal. Take heed, because that's a walnut pen. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Take care now.